going to show you how I get my turkey ready. So I have washed her, and I keep calling my turkeys a her. So my turkey has been washed and soaking in brine, and that's just salt water, and I use kosher salt. I can't say it. Kosher salt, and I put a little garlic in there. So it has been soaking for 24 hours, and we are going to get it out of this water, and I am going to show you how I season her, and then we're going to put her in the roasting pan, let her roast, and as she's roasting, we will baste her. Okay, so let's get rid of this water and let's get ready to season her. Okay, we got her all dried off. Let's start salt and peppering. So when we salt and pepper, we want to salt and pepper in the inside of her, and we are going to butter her up. So in here I have a stick, 2 sticks of butter. So I'm just going to cover her with melted butter, because this will help with crisping up her skin and giving a nice brown skin. We want her to come out beautifully brown. So I'm going to, okay, so let's make our glaze for our turkey. And yes, I'm back in my husband's bourbon closet again, and it is Uncle Nearest. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of bourbon. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of vinegar. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of honey. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now we are going to let this simmer. Once it comes up to temp, we're going to let it simmer for a few minutes. And then we are going to add some butter to give it that nice glossy glaze. So we got to get this, I need my whisk. Let's get this whisked up together. And then we'll let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and we'll add our butter. I added a stick of butter to the glaze. And we're just going to let that melt and whisk that in. Oh, look at how the color is changing, and it's becoming nice and glossy. So now that the butter is all melted in, let's glaze our turkey. Okay, so here's our turkey, and let's brush this glaze over her. So here's our bourbon honey roasted turkey, because it's really just our turkey, but we put a bourbon glaze on it. So let's glaze it up one more time. And we have enough glaze left, so when you're eating, if you'd like to put glaze on your plate, you can. So let me spin her around so you can really see what she looks like. So here we have our roasted turkey. So here's what I'm going to say. Remember, cook with the ones you love and love the ones you cook with. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos, take a minute and hit that subscribe button.